Hello, we are Ethentity, and I'm Aaron.
I'm Danny.
And I'm Hamza.
Jeremy and Mike helped us out as well. The challenge that we're seeing is that as people continue to join new applications, it's very time consuming and labor intensive for organizations to verify all of those user IDs. And we also believe that people shouldn't necessarily have to have their personal information stored centrally with these organizations. So what we're building is secure, it's verified through staking, and it's decentralized because public verifiers process only parts of IDs, which we're calling chunks, which we'll show you in a minute. It's compliant because we work with organizations and we would continue to work with organizations to meet their requirements, and it's seamless. Our APIs enable organizations to see. I'll pass it to Hamza for a demo.
Cool. Thanks, Aaron. So a user would, when they land on the app and see kind of the landing page where they can see how the app works and all, they can simply connect their wallet and go to their profiles. They would need to provide their personal information here and then save it by connecting to their wallet. And I'll just reject this one right now. Then once that's done, they can verify their identity. And the first step for that is really just to take a photo with their ID. So I'll just do that here. Once that's done, since we're talking about chunks, the first thing to do is to kind of mask the information that's not in the first chunk and then produce it. Once that's done, the same thing will go, they will need to do the same thing for the second chunk, but different part of the information, and then third chunk as well, and then save that. Once that's done, the verification will have been produced. At that point, any user that has already their ID verified can come and check the identities that need to be verified. They would see a list here. They can see only the first and last name. They would see the reward, and they can pick any chunk and verify it. So when they pick a chunk, we first verified that they didn't see any of the other chunks. They see the information, verify, decide if they want to reject with a reason or confirm. And once they confirm, it moves on to the other. It's basically saved. So now we will move to our stack with Danny.
Thank you, Hamza. So our stack, we use IPFS for encrypted storage for storing the chunks. And we chose an Arbitrum for our layer 2 solution. One, because we can just use our Solidity contracts, so that's convenient. And also because it allows us to have lower transaction costs and faster transactions. In addition, there's a higher limit for the contract size. And we use Claros for managing arbitration.
Cool. Thanks, Danny. For our future roadmap, we basically have a short and midterm and then long term. For the short and midterm, clearly we have to finish the app first. We need to finish the integration with Arbitrum. We need to do a lot of testing first, just us, on testnet and other people, and kind of verify the IDs. We need also to do, then we deploy it to mainnet. For the long term, we would talk to any organization that would listen to us and then has their member IDs that need to be verified, and then improve the verification protocol as well. If you want to check the app, it will be available later on app.ethentity.io. Thank you, everyone.